That is cute. That is cute. Now that. Hi guys. Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing video. This one's the biggest one. It's like bigger than my head. Let's start the unboxing. Bro. No. There's like mini Starbucks coffee cups. And there's like little holders. That's so cute. Who wanted to order the 12 Starbucks coffees? It has a green container. It says coffee because it's coffee. And oh, look at the top. That's the part where you like drink out of. And as you can see, there's a little logo at the side, of course. And they're so small, so cute, and can be used in like a cafe. Guys, there's actually Pringles. It looks yummy. Aw, that's so cute. Guys, look at this. It's a red one, a grayish one, a blue and orange one. Guys, look, it opens. Whoa, look. And there's actually space inside of it. I'm going to try put some Pringles inside. Look at that. I dropped the bag. Look at this. It's so tiny. Ooh, this is actually a perfect size. And then just take them out and eat them. And also, I'm just going to take a time to appreciate those details. Look at all of those pictures. And look at all of that. There's even a barcode and all the writing and all of that stuff. So it's really cool. Like a little trolley thing where you can put some stuff in. And it's like storage and it can just like roll around. And there isn't a lid for one of them. So this one's like open. But there's a lid for two of them. So you can just put your stuff in, then just close it. Ooh. Close it. This is the size. Oh, that looks small. That looks small, but it's not that small.
Put it on the table.
Yeah, you can put it on a table if you want it. Just woo. So if they want to push it somewhere, they can just go like woo. Oh, little KFC boxes. That's cute. Aw, that's cute. Look at them little red boxes. They're all the same, I think. Look at all the detail on the front. Look, there's some chicken on it. And it says KFC, the little logo in the corner. If they go to takeaway, they can be like, okay, order number 576. Here is your chicken. Here you go. Not sure what this is, but I'll open it to find out. Oh wait, there's some cookies and some pretzels in there. Okay, so I discovered it's like a cookie tin. So here are the cookies. I already showed you those. There's some pretzels and some cookies. And here's the actual tin. And on the top it says, well, it actually looks real. The lid looks like a real brand. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna pour those cookies into the tin. A cookie fell. That. Yummy. Oh, that's so cute. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, you can put like cups or bottles in here and then just carry it around. This is so cute. Look at her carrying it. I can't believe this is a thing. Realistic milk jug and cups. Well, guys, look at this. This jug actually feels real. It feels like a real cup that you pour. And there's also two of these cups, two of them. And they made it look like it's full of milk, and you could just that's actually really cute. But it's just really cute, and I think it feels like glass. It just looks so realistic. And here's her holding it. She could just be asking someone, do you want some milk in her cup? And then, oh, this cup is really small. It's really small for the children. That is cute. That is cute. Now that, guys, I love this for 2 reasons. It's tiny and cute, obviously, and they're so colorful. It's mini shampoo balls. There's so much different colors. It just looks so scrumptious. They look just tiny and adorable and cute. I feel like this would be good for the kids because they can like, ooh, look, some colorful shampoo. And it's like perfect size. Like, look at that. Oh, cheeseburgers. Food for the dolls. 9 of them in here. Ooh, that looks really good. Look at those seeds. It looks glossy. A glossy cheeseburger, I guess. And if you ever get hungry, you can just grab a little lunch of a cheeseburger. Guys, look at that. I'm gonna open it. Oh, all of these are different types of crisps. They look so yummy. There's this, what's it called? Boogles. I know Cheetos, that's obviously, I know that. This is cute, but I don't know what it is. These look spicy. And these are also Charms. I know Lay's, but I never eaten them. Potato chip. These. I love the packaging of this. It's really cute. These clover things and this. They look so edible. They're colorful and they catch my eye, so... One of them fell. Oh, we have a little container of strawberry jam. And this is the size. Oh, that's really cute, the little jars. They're so small, they keep dropping. Apricot jam. Apricot, that looks really yummy. It looks like syrup. Oh, this one looks so yummy, it's purple. Plum jam, I never knew that was a thing. And fig jam. This is really realistic. There's like, I could even see some like oil or something, or like just sauce at the bottom. Hold it like, whoa, and they can like serve their food. Like, here is your little meal. Look at your 2D Nutella. Whoa, look at that. Ritz cracker. Yeah, crackers. Ooh, look at that. More Nutella. Kit Kat. They can use this. Yogurt, whatever that is. Uncrustables. What's an oh, they can use this. Cheerios. Cheerios and Cheetos. Mac and cheese Cheetos. Oh. Whoa, why do these feel real? We have a little tray. Why does it feel like real metal? There's like a lot of different pans. Is this like another pan but squared? They're like, they feel like metal. That's cute. A little pan. A little frying pan. And a little tray to serve up your food. Oh, why are the dolls getting like literal Gucci bags? Guys, it looks like it can open, but it doesn't. Whoa. Look at that bling. Okay, wait, let's see if she can wear it. This matches her outfit. It brings a hint of gold to her casual outfit. Look at that. Look, it's so shiny. And it has a little chain. And the gold makes, I'm going back to her outfit here, but this really makes a doll's outfit pop. Like, the gold is literally reflecting all over my desk. Look. Whoa, it's so shiny. I say this to last because it looks really good. Guys, there's a little, like, utensil thing in here that you can't take out, and you shouldn't try or else it's gonna snap. Look at that. That actually looks really good, and I would eat that. I would eat that. It looks like something like humans would eat. The dolls are getting like full fancy meals, And look at that, it's so like shiny too, like, and look at all those little details, the red, yellow, and it looks yummy. That's all I'm gonna say, it looks delicious. Guys, you'll never believe what this is, right? Okay, it's a full-on, what do you call it, a tea set, mini ceramic set. And to be very delicate with these, they look very delicate. Oh, look at that. Even the packaging looks fancy. Okay, so there's a little teapot. Oh, look at, oh, that's a cute size, and she can just hold it like that. And let's just take a moment to look at these amazing designs. The light is too bright. These amazing designs on it, like, look at that. And this also opens. Look at that. Look at the design on it. Oh, that is really pretty. The dolls would love to have their food on this plate. And here's a size. Ooh, it's like a little plate. They have like 4 of these small cups, and they can just put their... Oh, that's cute. And this is really cute. More milk jugs. You can put like some milk in here and pour it into the cups. It's a sugar bowl with a lid, of course, so you can put in it. These are really like tiny, so it's like hard to hold. And then put some sugar in there and just sprinkle it on whatever. Oh my.
Oh.
That is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Wait, does it work?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it would work if you just like... Aww. Wait. Oh, that's cute. Guys, this might be one of my favorite things in here yet, but it's a water dispenser. Oh, look at that little picture. Water says water. Oh, that's cute. Look at this. And there's like, it actually works. And it actually comes out like that. And scared me. And look, there's little cups. Oh, that's adorable. This is like a perfect size because this could go on a table or something. Like, this is too small, so it has to go on like a table. They can just push that, and then water, and then it's so cute. Again, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you liked watching me unbox all of these cute things. They're so tiny. I'll see you in my next unboxing video, or just any video, and bye!